Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Technology Explore. My name is Usman Chaudhary and today in this video I'm going to tell you how to assemble the escalator in SolidWorks. So basically you are also going to learn how these escalator works. So keep watching this video till end. If you want to download these files for your practice, I will leave the download link in the description of this video. Let's start by making a new assembly. So first of all, import this outer rail and inner guide rail in the assembly. Press OK button. Then if you can see, inner guide rail is fixed, so make it float by right click on it and then select float. Now select this face and this face, make the concentric mate. Then select this face and this face, make coincident mate. And also for this side, make a concentric mate of this face and this face. Then expand the inner guide rail features, and from here select its front plane and the front plane of the whole assembly and make coincident. Similarly, top plane with top plane, the coincident mate, and right plane with right plane coincident mate. Now import the step, wheel, shaft, these three things in the assembly. One thing you should have to consider is that this shaft and this wheel has two sides, one with the point and another side there is no point. Similarly, there is a point and on the other side there is no point on the shaft. So we have to make sure that both shaft and wheel have the same sides of the point. So now make a concentric mate of shaft and wheel, then coincident mate of both these faces. After that, select this face of the shaft and this face of the step, make concentric mate, and then select this face and this face, make coincident mate. Now make a copy of both these things on this hole. So here it is. Now import the link in the assembly. Rotate it like this. Then select this face of the wheel link and this face of the shaft and make the concentric mate, and then select this face and this face, make coincident mate. After that we must have to make this point downward. So to make it short, click on the wheel and expand it from its top plane with this face, make the parallel mate. Now select this face of the shaft and this face of the track, make coincident mate. After that click and drag this step like this. Like this. So now what we have to do, first of all click on this inner rail and expand its sweep 1 and make this sketch 1 unhide. Then we have to make the path mate, so select mate and from here in the advanced mate select path mate, then select this point which is in the mid of the shaft, and then select selection manager and select this path. If you can see, this is the path of inner rail, and then press OK button. Then press OK button. Now make a duplicate of this step, both shafts and bearing. So here it is. Now select this face and this face, make the coincident mate. Now make a duplicate of this link, then select this face and this face, make the concentric mate. Now select this face and this face, make concentric made. After that, select this inside face of the link and the outside face of the another link and make the coincident made between them. After that, import the link shaft into the assembly. Select this face and this face of the link and make concentric made. Then select this face of the link and this face of the link shaft, make coincident made. Now make a duplicate of the wheel. Select this face and this face, make concentric made. Now select this face and this face, make coincident made. After that, select this wheel, expand its features and from its top plane with this face make the parallel made like this. Now press spacebar and arrange the view like this. Move the steps on this upper side. Then rearrange the step like this. Right click on this step and make it fixed. So now we can easily rotate this step. Also right click on this link and then make it fixed. Now you can rotate it like this. So now right click in this on this link and make it float. Also make the this step float by right click and then select float. Now make a path mate of this this point which is in the mid of this shaft, of this downside shaft. So select mate, then advanced mates, path mate, select this point, selection manager and select this path of inner rail. If you can see like this, press OK button. Again press OK button. Once again rearrange the view. Now select this wheel and expand its features. Select its top plane and this face, make the parallel made like this. Now go to mate again, advanced mates and path mate. Select this point, selection manager and this path of outer rail, if you can see. Then press OK button. Again press OK button. It's a bit tricky thing to do these path mates, so be careful. Now we have to make the path mate of this point and this path. So for that, mate, advanced mates, path mate, this point, selection manager and this path. Press OK button. Again press OK button. So one last path mate. Rearrange the view like this. So one last path made with this point and this path. So mate, advanced mates, path mate and this point, selection manager and this line as a path. Press OK button. Again press OK button. So now we can check how our assembly works. So for that, click and drag these steps like this. So if you can see, they are working. So this is how the escalator works. I hope you have enjoyed and learned from this video. Thanks for watching and sparing time, and if you liked this video, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this.